is not broken. What happened here? Awesome. Pretty clean cut all the way around. And this would be going like this. There you go. There you go. This car has a no start problem, and I really don't know what is going on with it, which is why I'm gonna take the valve cover off. 4, 3, 2, 1. So let's get right to it again. Oh my God, there goes the seals. Before you do this, make sure you tighten up, hand tighten them at least 3-5 turns, just in case they're not going in right. You don't want to go too far down on these. You just want to kind of just go kind of a little down on them, and then I'll torque them down with a torque wrench. But I have to go buy one because I don't have one. The one I have broke to pieces. So now let's put these spark plugs back together. This is number 3. This is number 1. Number 2. And number 4. Now let's take this. I really want to get rid of all of this all together. I just hate it so much. I'd rather be able to see my timing, if it's on or off or good or not. Yo, am I losing my mind here? Here it is. Where did I leave my other socket now? Here we go. Okay. You guys never tried this out. This is my first time trying it out. So no. There he goes. Just crank it up a little bit. So it's getting sparked for sure. It's getting sparked. So the coil pack is not broken. What the fuck happened here? Okay, I might have a solution to my problem. Okay, so the fan just started kicking on, which is weird because I don't know if you guys saw it, but these wires here ended up sparking. And I don't know if you got it, if I got it on camera, but something's telling me that this cast, these wires might not be connected properly, or there's a short going somewhere around there. So let's see if it's gonna start now. Mind you, the motor doesn't really have any oil on it right now. Let's see what happens. See that? It wanted to start and the fan stopped working. That connection's it's not on right. So that might be the issue. So let me turn off the key. She wants to run, but there's something not right. Either it's because I'm missing my whole intake and vacuum lines. I guess tomorrow will be another day. Tomorrow we'll start looking more into it in depth. I'll do the oil flush, put some oil in it, and then fill up some of the, like the power steering here, some of the other stuff that I got going on here. Alright, well that concludes the video. I'm gonna start putting up everything because it's already getting late. I can barely see. But guys, like the video so I can continue posting this content for y'all. And I'll see you guys tomorrow when I completely start investigating it more. Alright guys, you take care. Y'all be safe. Peace.